Living in Frederick means you get to enjoy beautiful seasons, from warm summers to snowy winters. But all that weather can take a toll on your windows over time. Old or damaged windows can hurt your home's comfort, energy bills, and even its look. Knowing the signs that you need window replacement can save you money and headaches down the line. Here are the main things to watch for. Drafts and temperature changes. One of the most common signs you need new windows is a noticeable draft. If you feel a chilly breeze near your windows in winter or hot air sneaking in during the summer, your windows may have lost their seal. In Frederick's changing climate, drafty windows mean your heating or cooling system has to work harder, which drives up your energy bills. Higher energy bills. Have you noticed your energy bills going up, even though you haven't changed your habits? Windows that are old, single-paned, or damaged can let air leak in or out of your home. This forces your HVAC system to run longer to keep your home comfortable. Replacing your windows with energy-efficient options can help reduce those bills. Moisture between panes. Modern windows are designed with double or triple panes to add insulation. If you see condensation, fog, or moisture trapped between the panes, that means the seal has failed. Once the seal is gone, the insulating gas inside those panes is lost, and the window can no longer protect your home effectively. Difficulty opening or closing. If you struggle to open, close, or lock your windows, that's a clear sign of trouble. Warped frames, broken hardware, or swelling from moisture can make windows hard to operate. Not only is that frustrating, but it can also be a safety hazard if you ever need to use your window as an emergency exit. Outside noise. Do you hear every car, dog, or loud neighbor as if they're right inside your house? Older windows don't block sound very well. Today's modern windows have better soundproofing features, helping keep your home peaceful and quiet. Visible damage or rot. If your window frames are cracked, soft, or show signs of rot, it's time for an upgrade. In Frederick, where rain and snow are common, water can easily seep into damaged frames, leading to mold, mildew, and even structural problems in your home. Outdated style. Sometimes windows are still functional but simply outdated. If your home feels stuck in another decade, new windows can give it a fresh, modern look while boosting curb appeal. Newer styles also offer improved security features and better insulation. You want to increase home value. Replacing old windows is one of the best ways to improve your home's resale value. Buyers in Frederick love energy-efficient, attractive, and secure windows. It's an upgrade that can pay off when you put your home on the market. Choosing the right windows in Frederick. Once you've decided it's time to replace your windows, work with a local professional who understands Frederick's weather and building codes. A quality installer can help you pick the right materials and styles to fit both your budget and your home's design. New windows can improve your home's comfort, save you money, and give you peace of mind. Whether your current windows are drafty, damaged, or just outdated, paying attention to these signs can help you make a smart investment for your home's future. If you're seeing any of these issues in your windows, don't wait too long to take action. Replacing your windows can transform the way your Frederick home feels and looks for years to come.